Guys, so today we are only going to discuss about the damaged hair problem that we all suffer during the summer. Yes, we all suffer from the itching scalp, dandruff hair, dull hair, breakage problem and all that. So here are the simple hair masks that anyone can make from the ingredient present in your kitchen only. You just have to blend few ingredients and you are ready to apply that mask. So guys, not to worry, these masks will leave your scalp healthy, dandruff free, as well as resolve all your simple problem like breakage problem, split end problem. So just try these masks and see the result. First we have coconut oil and honey mask. This mask is really very good. I have applied it and guys, results are awesome. This will give your scalp a healthy touch as well as hydrated. Simple ingredients and a very good and effective mask. Second, we have egg and olive oil. We all know that egg and olive oil are very good protein source, as well as when they are blended together and applied on hair, they can straighten your hair as well as stop the breakage. You can also find that your hair loss has been reduced if you apply this mask. Another one is green tea plus egg mask. Yes, green tea, another thing, it is a very good antioxidant. It provides protein, reduces your hair loss as well as fight against the radical problem. If green tea and egg is mixed, it can give you awesome result, guys. Another one is yogurt and honey. We all know about this mask and we are applying it from ages. This mask moisturizes your hair, nourishes your hair as well as increases strength your hair by reducing the hair fall. So this one is thumbs up mask and a very good mask. Anyone can apply this because it has been applied from ages. Another one is banana and honey mask. So this mask is especially for those who have very dull and damaged hair. So this will give you a perfect, you can say, healthy hairs and shiny hairs. So guys, apply these masks and let me know the results. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so that you get the notification about my videos. I hope you enjoyed it and please guys share my channel and subscribe it with your friends.